Rondo coming at you from the Nomadic Van headquarters here in Sun Valley, Idaho. Really excited for Delica Dyno session number 2. After the Jasper getting 80.5 horsepower to the wheels, we really wanted to upgrade the intake and exhaust to make it so that turbocharged Sally could go for the win. 100 horsepower, triple digits, Delica with a new Snorkel through air filter and intercooler setup. We believe that Sally is gonna make that triple digit mark. Let's see what she can do down there at Magic Valley Hot Rods. Heading to Twin Falls on a beautiful wintry day here in Idaho. Really easy to hold 70 miles an hour plus. Could push it if I really wanted to, given those low temps. And EGT's fired up for a 100 horsepower day. Going the extra kilometer today down to Twin Falls at Magic Valley Hot Rods. Behind that door, it's gonna tell us how much horsepower this pig really has. So in the name of rad, let's do this. Now throw those rear wheels on the dyno and pin it to win it. Here we go. First pull right there, 94.7, making progress.
Are you really gonna turn it up?
Can I? Okay.
It's your car. It's mine.
All right. Gotta turn it up. Good to go. Let's see if that 5-minute tune gave me 5 horsepower. So pull number 2 actually registered less at 90.5 horsepower. Still better than the Jasper, but I think I turned up the fuel a little bit too much. So let's see what this next adjustment does. Still think the first pull was the better of the 3. What do we got here? 92.4, got it.
Came in way sooner. It liked it all the way through.
Uh-huh.
You know, liked it torque-wise.
So 145.7 peak torque.
Yep. Almost 6 foot-pounds more.
Right. So that third pull definitely was superior to the other 2, you think, all in all?
Oh, yeah. Driving around, you move torque down, what, almost 300-400 RPM?
Braking inertia is the main thing with this. It's just getting off the line, which is the hardest thing. Not quite at a hundo, but Almost there. Next time, man. The wastegate is shut as I can get it.
Well, but you put fuel to it, and it didn't like it.
Yeah, I know.
So that tells me that means there's still enough fuel there. 1-2 pounds would probably get you.
Right. Maybe I'll just cut a couple more threads in that linkage and just tighten it a little bit. Right. Or get that tack welder out. No. Probably should do that to my own van, not somebody else's. It's good to get some good data.
Yeah, and you always have the same, I mean, come back to the same dyno.
Right.
Now, if you go to a different dyno,
it's totally different. Right.
Yeah, the information's useless there.
I'd only do that to just fluff the numbers, you know. Not gonna catch us fluffing the numbers here at Nomadic, trying to keep it consistent with multiple turbo diesel automatics in a row. That's what the Jasper was. That's what turbocharged Sally was. And it was the same dyno both times. So real excited about that increase in power up to 94.7, a significant boost given the displacement of the motor. Next time, I'm gonna throw a fan on the intercooler and see what that does to get us over into the triple digit mark, baby. That's what we want. Turbocharged Sally still getting 18 miles to the gallon just about with that tune. Real excited about that third tune though. Really bringing the numbers down the RPM range. Therefore, we can feel the power a little bit earlier, and it actually peaked higher at 145.7 foot-pounds of torque. So, a lot of progress being made here. Thanks for watching. Nomadic Van coming at you with more tuning down the road.